Now, after installing Microsoft Outlook, you can go to the Start menu and type Outlook. You will open the app, and in this app, you will get to enter your email account login credentials. Now, this Microsoft Outlook software works with Hotmail, Outlook, Gmail accounts, and even Yahoo accounts. So it's like an all-in-one experience. So I will use my Hotmail account. Once you click Next or click Enter, it will ask you to enter the password for this email address. And if you have two-step authentication enabled, it will ask you to add more information. Now, since I already have this account linked, I can easily add it without entering the password because it's basically my Windows account. Now, if you want to add another email address, you can simply type it here. And even if it is Gmail, it will connect it without any issues. As you can see, account successfully added. Now, once you are done with adding all the accounts, you can click the Done button. And it will start loading your profiles. As you can see, loading Outlook. Usually it takes some time when it first loads, but after that, it will load faster because it already downloaded all the account information and folders to your Windows PC. Now, this is our user interface, and this is our main email. Now we'll talk about everything in few lessons, and we will cover the user interface. But that's it for this lesson. You did learn how to add your email accounts to Microsoft Outlook. See you next.